Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely, wonderful day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video, we're gonna be officially kicking off the holiday season here on my channel, and what better way to do that than with a holiday outfit idea from my home, away from home. Y'all already know. So I think at this point, I probably have about 80 or so live Walmart videos. So if you are a Walmart fiend fanatic like I am, then I will definitely leave the playlist right up here for y'all. But in today's video, I have 6 fun, functional, and festive outfit ideas to share with y'all, and I'm super duper excited about it. So we're just gonna jump right into it, shall we? If you like this type of content, if you like plus size fashion on a budget, then please consider liking and subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, I'm gonna leave all the links to everything mentioned found in the description box below. All right, y'all. So the first outfit that I'm gonna be sharing with y'all today is going to be a dress from the brand Scoop. And this is what it looks like. And please let me know which outfit you like the best, because we have a holiday party coming up in a couple of weeks, and the one that gets like the most attention is the one that I'm probably going to wear. So this is what it looks like. Did I say it's from the brand Scoop? If I didn't, it's from the brand Scoop. But this is a sleeveless midi dress, and I am so in love with this dress. I love a good pink for Christmas. It's just a lively color. It's very festive, it's very flirty, but you could also do so many different makeup looks with it. So this is kind of a higher collared neckline with this little crisscross detail right here at the top. It also has a very nice wide shoulder detail. And then when you go down to the waistline, it cinches in right there at the waist because it has an elastic right there in the back. And it also has this little keyhole that's very cute, a little flirty, a little sexy. And then it goes down to a midi length. And the texture of this dress is so pretty. It's like, I don't know, it looks like waves. It looks like kind of like a wood grain almost. It's very different. And then whenever you turn this dress around, this is my favorite detail, I think, of the whole dress, because it has this really cute bow right here in the back. So if you wear your hair up, you can really be able to see that. And it has these long ribbons that flow down to the nape of the back. And it's just a gorgeous dress. As I mentioned before, it has the elastic right here in the waist. It kind of really cinches in the waist. It gives you some shape. It also has pockets, which is a huge bonus for me. And yeah, this is the first dress. Now on to the next one. So now we're on to outfit number 2, and outfit number 2 is gonna be from the Sophia Jeans company. I think that's what it's called. And it's also going to be another dress, and this is what it looks like. And honestly, I'm not really sure how I feel about this dress. On the model online, it looked absolutely gorgeous. On me, not so sure about it. And it also smells like fish.
I don't hate it, I just don't like it at all. And it's terrible.
But nonetheless, this is what the dress looks like. So it is a one shoulder or a off the shoulder, oblong shoulder. I can't remember what it's called at the moment. And then whenever you turn this dress around, this is what the back of the dress looks like. And it has somewhat of a hidden zipper right here. And I say somewhat because it's a little bit hidden, but it's also not really hidden. So it's like they tried to make it hidden. And then right there at the top, they just folded it over and then sewed it into place. And so it sticks out a little bit. What I'm trying to say is it has some quality control issues. If I'm being honest, this one is probably gonna go back. I'm not really crazy about it. I mean, it's cute in theory. And I love that faux leather and all that is on trend right now. But for the price, I'm not really like digging it. So yeah. So now we're on to outfit number 3. And if you thought the other 2 dresses were interesting, they ain't got nothing on this dress. So this is the third dress. So this is from the brand Scoop, and it is a highly reflective sequined mini dress. And it does come in 2 colors. So it comes in this like minty, like grassy green color, and then it also comes in a very vibrant purple. And I was this close to getting the purple, but I thought that this one would be a little bit more like festive for the holidays. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I love a good sequins outfit. I think it's probably like the 80s child in me, because back in the 80s everything was beaded, silk, and sequins. If you're an 80s child, you already know. But it's something about this dress that just brings back some nostalgia. It's so much fun, it's very interesting, and it's just lively. And not to mention that the quality is superb with this dress. I've purchased many a sequined outfits from Walmart, from Amazon, from lots of different brands, and this is probably the highest quality that I've purchased. Speaking of simple, right here at the neckline, it does have a crew neck neckline with a little bit of piping so you don't have any sort of irritation from the sequins. And then, as I mentioned before, it does have a really nice long sleeve. And then right here at the waistline, it does kind of cinch in the waist just a little bit, and then it flows down to a mini length dress with a little ruffle. So I thought that was a really cute detail. Whenever you walk, it kind of kicks and moves as you walk. It's very playful and very fun, and I just think it's adorable. And I would love to know what y'all's opinions are down in the comments down below. So now let's talk about outfits number 4 and 5. And honestly, I didn't realize how similar these were until I had them both hung up on the same rack, and I was like, hold up now. I'm gonna have to like combine these together because they're both black jumpsuits. It's just one is a little bit more elaborate than the other one. So I'll talk about the elaborate one first, and then we'll move on to like the plain one. So this is a black, very frilly jumpsuit from the brand Eloquii Elements, and it's this beautiful black velvet, which I have tried velvet jumpsuits in the past from the Boohoo brand, and it didn't turn out very well. Luckily, this one is not like that one. This one is such good quality, and it is so incredibly heavy. So if you're looking for a really nice jumpsuit, definitely check this one out. But this has a really cute neckline right here at the top that you can wear on the shoulder or off the shoulder. It all depends on how you want to wear it, but it's very nice elastic. But when you go down to the waist, it has a really cute, very nice belted fabric waist. It has this really adorable, like floofy, ruffly top that has a lot of movement here. It is just so stinking adorable. And then the back is really simple, and this does not have pockets. So if you don't want that added bulk, you're definitely not gonna get it. And then the other one that I wanted to talk about really quickly is from the brand The Get, which is kind of like the drop from Amazon. So it's like Walmart and Amazon are competing, but this is what this one looks like. So as I mentioned before, it's very similar. This one has a ruffled neckline right here, and then it has a button down detail with the ruffles and like this, what is it called? It's For the Freaking Life of Me, I cannot remember what this is called. I'm having a major brain fart. If you remember what this piece is called, it's got like the embroidery here, it's got the laser cutouts. I just don't remember what it's called. I feel like it starts with an F. This jumpsuit also has an elastic waistline, very similarly to everything else I've showed you in today's video, as well as a functional fabric belt. That I would highly suggest you just tossing this one out of the window and adding a really fun, really festive, like attractive looking belt, because this one just doesn't do a whole lot for this jumpsuit. And this one also has pockets, which none of the other ones had pockets. This one does. And then whenever you turn this jumpsuit around, this is what the back of the jumpsuit looks like. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the quality here is quite questionable. Like, it has so many things that are just kind of off-putting about it. It's really noticeable in my opinion, like in person, and I don't know if it's noticeable on camera, but the black fabric here, which is slightly on the sheer side, is like blacker and almost like a synthetic fiber, almost like a polyester. And this one feels almost like a t-shirt. So this one is kind of a gray tone black, and this one is like a black. And the Get just needs to get it together, in my opinion. Like, they have some issues. They have strings and things that are popping, seams that are missing. It just is not worth the money, in my opinion. But I was really hoping for a good outcome in this. And I still think it has, you know, some details that I do appreciate. I would love to know y'all's opinions down in the comments. But this one for sure is probably gonna go back, and I picked it up in a XXL. I haven't tried it on, not gonna lie, so I'm got my fingers crossed. But yeah, this one is just not great. All right, y'all, so now we're on to the sixth and final outfit of the entire day, and this one is gonna be from the brand Eloquii Elements, and I love Eloquii. I love Eloquii Elements so much. And I don't know if y'all know this, but Walmart owns both brands, Eloquii and Eloquii Elements. So any and everything that you see in today's video is going to be free returns. You can return them via shipping, or you can return them to any Walmart store. You just go to the customer service and you return it just like anything else you would buy in a Walmart store. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, I love that. So this is the final dress of the entire day, and I would say this one is more of like a daytime or an evening dress. I wouldn't really call it a party dress per se, but it does have its place at the table. So I picked this one up in a size 18 to 20. It fits perfectly. I have no issues there. It has this really cute ruffle detail right here at the top, and then it has like multi-tiers right here at the top, so it is quite busy. It has a lot going on right here. Needless to say, this dress has a lot of ruffles, y'all. It's like ruffle-licious here. So if you don't like ruffles, then this dress is probably not going to be for you. But if you like ruffles and if you enjoyed this color story and this fabric, the fabric is lovely, then this is going to be a great like all year round dress for you. And for the fall and winter time, as I mentioned, with some stockings, with some over the knee boots or some knee high boots, this would look incredibly cute, very sexy. And the color story is just perfect for the season. I love this color story. So yeah, this is the sixth and final piece. I love this one so much, but I would love to know which one is your favorite. Which one should I wear for our Christmas party coming up? Please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be the one that I will feature on my Instagram page, as well as a sneaky little giveaway coming up next month. All right, y'all, that is going to do it for this really fun Walmart holiday outfit idea video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know I would appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of y'all. Please stay safe and stay healthy in this crazy, wild world that we're living in. And I'll be seeing y'all very soon. Bye.